Hello dear students, in the previous lecture we discussed regarding consistent pair of linear equations, inconsistent pair of linear equations. Okay, so again I am repeating the same things. A pair of linear equations which has solutions are known as consistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations which has no solution known as inconsistent pair of linear equation. So a pair of linear equations which has solution known as consistent pair of linear equations in two variables, and a pair of linear equations which are equivalent has a infinite many solutions. Such a pair is called dependent variable pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so such dependent pair of linear equations are always consistent. And also I already discussed before you some examples. Today again I am going to express the condition to find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables, and also to solve the value of x and y using graphical method. These two things I am going to discuss today. So here are some examples. I am now going to write three pairs of examples. First one is x plus y equal x plus y minus 10 equal to 0, x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. One pair of linear equation in two variables. Second one is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, right? And third one pair of linear equation two variable is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, then 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. So here are three pairs of linear equation in two variables. Just to discuss first one. We solve this graphically method. We solve this pair of linear equation in graphical method. So now it is x plus 2y, x plus y minus 10 equal to 0, then x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So in previous class, means 9th class, chapter 4, introduction to linear equation in two variables, you know how to solve, how to represent this equation graphically. So आज मैं इसको बता रहा हूं. What we will do here, we make a table to find the value of x and y here. So from equation 1, so x equal to 10 minus ka y, taking 10 and y to the RHS of the equation. So what you get here? So suppose you put for y is equal to, suppose I am putting here 0. So x is equal to 10 minus 0. Here y is the independent variable, x is the dependent variable in this case. So x is equal to 10 here. So for y 0, x 10, right? Suppose I am taking here for y is equal to here, suppose I am taking 3. So x is equal to 10 minus 3, x is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3, x 7. Right? Similarly, from equation 2, x is equal to y plus 4. Taking y and 4, minus y and minus 4 to the RHS. It is x is equal to y plus 4. So make another table also here. Another table. X and y. Suppose I am putting here for y equal to 0, x is equal to 0 plus 4, that is x is equal to 4, y 0, x 4, right? Next one is for, I am writing here y is equal to suppose 3, y is equal to 3, so x is equal to 3 plus 4, x is equal to 7, right? So draw the graph of this equation. Draw the graph here. This is the XO x dash horizontal axis, and this is YO y dash vertical axis, and this is origin. So this is 10 0. So I am writing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 and so on. So requirement, the points are here 10 0 and 7 3. So 10 0, 10 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 0, y equal to 0. So this point lies in positive x axis. This is 10 0. Then 7 3, 7 x axis, x 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is 3. So this is 7 3. This is 7 3, right? Seven and 3. Seven 3, and you just join it. I am just joining it. This equation, name of this equation is x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, students? Now, next one is plot this point on this Cartesian plane 4 0. 4 0. 1 2 3 4. This is 4 0. 4 0 and 7 3. So this is 7 3. Okay. So this equation name is x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So what you conclude here from the first example? For the first example, a pair of linear equation in two variables, I solved these two equations, and these two, the geometrical meaning of these equations are straight lines, and these straight lines are intersecting at a point known as 7 3. Okay, right? So these are known as consistent or intersecting at a point, here. Okay, so this is the graphical method how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables to get the value of x and y, and also from here we find the condition to get the solution of a pair of linear equation in two variables. This is the first one. Now come to the second one, second example. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So already I proved here using one example. This is the process to get the value of x and y. Another method is you put to x0, you get y, or you put y equal to 0, you get x. Okay, and for the 10th classes, always try to get the value of x and y in the form of whole numbers, integers or natural numbers, not in rational number. Means fraction के form में आपको find out नहीं करना, it will be confused to you, right students? And higher classes you will do it. So directly I am solving it. For I am here put x is equal to 0. Then what is y here? X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2. Okay. Again I put x, y is equal to 0. This is very easy method in the first equation. Y is equal to 0. Then y 0 means x is equal to 4. Now come to the second one. Come to the second one here. X and y. For x 0, what is y here? 3. X 0, y is equal to 4y is equal to 12, y is equal to 3. And for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. Okay. Now I am going to represent this on the Cartesian plane. Represent this point, plot this point on the Cartesian plane. XO x dash axis, YO y dash axis. Right students? So the points up to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. So 0, 2. This lies positive y axis. This is 0, 2. Right. And 4, 0. 4, 0. Positive x axis. This is 4, 0. 0, 2 and 4, 0. Join these 2 points. You get the line. You get a line here. And the equation of this line is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Right. Then another is 0, 3. This is 0, 3. This point is, this is 0, 2 and this is 0, 3. 0, 3 point. And this is 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6, 0. 6, 0. And joining these two. So these two lines are what? Parallel with each other. This is 2x plus 4y minus 12. So this is what you write here? Inconsistent. Inconsistent. I told you that a pair of linear equation which has no solution. No solution. How you get that it has no solution? They parallel with each other. These two lines are parallel with each other. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Clear now? So it has no solution. So parallel. Parallel लिखेंगे no solution you write. No solution or parallel. Parallel you write. Now come to the third one. 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. 4x plus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. So to get the value of x and y, draw a table here. X and y. So x0. I am putting here x0. So what is y in this pair of linear equation in two variables? Put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 3. Okay, right? Then for y is equal to 0, it is 9 by 2. So I told you that always take the value of x and y in the form of integers or whole numbers or natural numbers. So what you put here? We get value of y from this. For y is equal to, suppose I am putting, we get y. For y is equal to minus 1. So 2x is equal to 2x plus 3 into minus 1 minus 9 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. 2x is minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. So y minus 1, x is equal to 6. In this case, you do not put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, क्या हो जाता है ये? X becomes a fraction in the form of rational number. Okay. So come to the second one. Second one. This is 18. minus 18. Okay, x and y. So for x 0, y is equal to 3, right? For x 0, y is equal to 3. For y is equal to minus 1, again you take y is equal to, I am taking 1. For y is equal, for this equation, for y is equal to 1, 4x plus 6 into 1 minus 18 is equal to 0, 4x plus 6 minus 12 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 12, x is equal to 3. So it is y1, x3, y1, x and 3. Okay, now I am going to represent this on this Cartesian plane. XO x dash axis, YO y dash axis. So 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 0, 3, positive y axis, 0, 3, this is 0, 3, and 6 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and minus 1. So this is 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, right? Then 0, 3 again, you just join these two lines. This is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, right? Again, plot this point on this plane, 0, 3 positive y axis and 3, 1, 3, 1, this is 3, 1. So they are the same what lines. So positively the solutions are what you write, they are the same line, pair of lines coincident with each other. So here we also write consistent, or what we say coincident. I told you that a pair of equation which are equivalent has infinite many solutions. Such a pair is a dependent pair of linear equation in two variables, and a dependent pair of linear equation in two variable has always consistent. So इसलिए ये consistent हो गया. Okay. So graphically I proved that in the first example, this the graphical representation of this pair of linear equation in two variables have two straight lines and they intersect with each other at a point. So the solution is consistent or intersecting at a point, or you say unique solution. What you say? Unique solution also you say. Unique solution. Okay. And second, from the second example, we represent them in graphically, and we known that here are the two straight lines and they are parallel with each other. They never intersect with each other, so they have no solution. So we say inconsistent parallel, or we say no solution. No solution. Okay. And again, in the third one, we just represent them graphically, and they are coincident. Means two lines are one. So they have an infinite many solution, or we say consistent, or coincident, or we say infinite many solution, right? So graphically, in graphical method, from these three pair of linear equation in two variables, we concluded that the solutions are consistent or inconsistent or infinite many solutions. Okay. So now what are the conditions to get it? Now from these, one things come to our mind. One things come to our mind that just go through their what coefficients. So I am just writing the standard form of these pair of linear equation in two variables. The standard form is standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. So in the previous lecture I already informed you that ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the standard form of a linear equation in two variable, a linear equation, and there a, b, c are real numbers, a square plus b square is not equal to 0, right? Clear? So similarly here, or either a or b equal to 0, not both 0. So similarly here we write a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are what? Real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square also not equal to 0. Just pause it. Okay.